Good morning. All right, I got a good Instacart to start this one off. It is $41.20 going 4.6 miles, 36 items. There is 3 customers, but I got to drive out to Giant, do the shopping, then one drops off by Giant, and the other 2 drop off right near my house. So I love this order. All right, this is as far as we're going with this one. They want me to set it on their kitchen counter. All right, I got another Instacart. This one's kind of doing my own chores and making a little bit of money while doing it. It's shopping at Aldi, so I like to shop for myself at Aldi, but it's $17.66, 5.5 miles, only 6 items. So for an Aldi order, that's awesome. Not too long after doing the Aldi order, I got another Instacart. It is $26.85 going 4.9 miles, 29 items, 2 customers. First customer only got like 2 or 3 items. Second customer got a bunch of soda, but it sounds like it's not on the 3rd floor of an apartment, so it is all good. Oh, don't ring the doorbell. All right, I didn't knock on the door on that one. That sounded like a whole pack of dogs barking. They know I'm here. All right, I got another Instacart. This one, no shopping, just picking up 10 bags. It's $14.12, going 2.4 miles. So I had to drive towards a Giant, and then it heads back towards my house. So I like this one. not scanning 10 bags again. That is too much. Can't scan barcode. Already delivered. Alright. Alright, we got an empty bin. I went and brought them in to her kitchen. She gave me an extra $5. So almost 20 bucks on that order. That was super easy. Alright, so right after dropping off the last one, I just saw this one at Wegmans, man. I tried to crack finger it and it did not work. I crack fingered it, it said someone else got it. It came back, same thing, clicked accept as quick as I could, but the third time it wasn't there, it disappeared. It was $41. It was going 11 miles, but it was only 13 items. That's a good order. But I got another good order right after. It's shopping at the fresh market, so shop time is going to be slow, but because this is only the second time I've shopped at this store. This is a new store in my area. It's $25.38. It's only going 2.9 miles and 19 items. It is 38 units though. So we're going to go knock that out. We gotta wait. What the heck is going on? When the dog bell goes off, I don't knock. Alright, I got another Instacart. I don't know what's going on lately, but Instacart's been hitting good. I just had the option to choose between two orders at Wegmans, two different wedgies. Which wedgie felt better? That's what I got to pick. And I'll tell you about the wedgie that I didn't pick first. It was $50, going 12 miles, and 55 items, 3 customers. And the one that I did pick is $48, only 21 items, 2 customers, but it's going 21 miles. So I don't know, which one would you have picked? Would you have shopped for more and driven less? I decided I don't feel like shopping. I'll drive the couple extra miles because it drops off in Annapolis, so that's just a straight shot down the highway for me to get there. But what is going on at Wegmans? Because I was sitting in my house 5 miles away when I was able to look at 2 different $50 orders. Like normally a $50 order is going like that at Wegmans, but I don't know, that's crazy. All right, I have these beef patties, but they wanted ground beef and they told me that they couldn't add the beef patties. So I'm waiting for a response, but we're basically done shopping at this point. That's not the right one. It is the right one. See, I'm done shopping. right, got that Instacart shop for, and I never heard back from that person about what they wanted to do. They told me that they couldn't add ground beef or the hamburger patties instead of the ground beef, but I told them I would tell them what kinds there are, and then they never got back to me, so I never added anything. I feel like they wanted something, but I don't know what they want, man. There's a Bambi and the water. Bambi, water. Hello, Bambi. Man, I was all happy because I saw that deer when I dropped that Instacart off, but I'm not happy anymore. I lost $11 on that order because the ground beef, that was the only thing I refunded on. Holy crap, I got shafted. I drove all those miles to make $37. There's no way in hell I would have done that order if you would have told me I was only going to make $37. All right, after the last Instacart, I went home and took a nap for a little while, and I woke up and there's snow on the ground now. So I guess it snowed, but I just got this Instacart, $20, 5.5 miles, 12 items, one customer. Can't really see it on video, but it's pretty icy out. So I think I'm done doing Instacart for tonight because I mean the main roads have salt on them, but this neighborhood, it's like a sheet of ice. All right, Saturday morning now, almost 9 o'clock. Just got this Instacart, $51.43, going 6.2 miles, 68 items, 98 units. This is a huge order. But, oh my God, I can't see. This one should put us close to like $100 away from the goal for the week. So, it's very good. All right, after the last Instacart, I've seen quite a few Instacarts worth doing. It's supposed to snow tomorrow night, so I'm being picky because there is like unlimited orders. I turned down one that was like going 4 or 5 miles, 40 items, $30 to customers, which on any other day I probably would have taken that order, but right today I'm low items, high dollar. That's what I'm looking for. So we got $34.62 going 4.3 miles for only 18 items. So that's a great order. I probably will be able to make a lot more than my goal this week, but also as the snow gets closer and closer, we're gonna have a lot more items out of stock, making it harder to, you know, make the amount that they show us when you see the order. So all right, got that order dropped off. The one bag literally ripped in half, like right when I went to pick it up. I hate that, but yeah, I hope y'all, I don't know what y'all can see with that one. I've been thinking, which is never a good thing. God damn it, Instacart. All right, so what I've been thinking is, you know how I put the screenshots in the video? Well, if I stopped doing that and just basically like showed y'all like this, you know, like you can see the information. You can see there's a $49 Wegmans order I'm about to look at. Where's it at? Where's it at? I hate it when Instacart does this. When you click on a notification for an order and then it's not there and it doesn't say that someone else got it. Like, so annoying. Oh, there it is. 18 miles though. 3 customers, 57 items. Nah, I'm not into that today. But anyway, if I just showed the screenshot like that, instead of, you know, cropping out the map every time I'm editing and putting it in, you know, like, that would probably save me like 25% of the amount of time it takes to edit, which is crazy to think that just literally putting the screenshot in there is probably that much effort. So I'm gonna do that, and unless I get a bunch of comments saying not to do that, I won't do that. But I think it'll make this a lot easier for me. And I never even thought about doing that before I got this camera, because on my phone I was like, everything's in order. But now basically what happens is, you know, I have all the screenshots of, you know, the orders I accept, and then the total when I'm done, and how long it takes to shop. And then I have all the clips on the camera, and they're not like in order. It's like, you know, all the clips on the camera, and then all the clips on the $110 at Food Line. What the? Ho, 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 ho! Yes, yes! No, someone else got it. No! Come on. No! 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 All right, well, y'all got to see that in real time. Here, let me show you all the screenshot because I didn't get the order, and that's what we're doing now. I'm pulling over because I'm being dangerous here. Look at this. $110 going 4.2 miles. What is 79 items, 109 units, a $99 tip. Oh my gosh, someone just got blessed. 2025, there has been the biggest orders I've ever seen on Instacart. The snow, y'all. Oh my goodness, I can't believe what I just got. This is better than the last order I even talked about. This is the best order I've gotten on Instacart in a long time. Y'all know the deal. Crack finger. Accept. $119 going 3 miles. What was it? 81 units, 111 items. 111 units. I think I said that all wrong, but I don't care. I'm going shopping. All right, this joint is huge. Alright, I'm gonna try to use that as my thumbnail picture. Alright, we've been doing like the assembly line, so I haven't filmed anything, but this is what I'm filming for the drop-off. Alright, got that Instacart dropped off. I really didn't film anything because it was like a lady in a wheelchair and her son. He just came to the door and I just kept putting the groceries at the door. Let's see. How much of money did we make? I really wanted to film more of that drop-off because it was a lot of work. Now Instacart's going crazy. All right, we didn't quite make the 120, but we hit 111. $100 tip. Sheesh. That person, I don't even know. They dropped $500 on groceries, $100 on tip. That's crazy. So I'm almost at $200 today, and it's not even 1 o'clock. And there we go. Goal hit for the week, $1,037. I'm lost. How do I get out of here? Heck yeah. The grocery store is pretty wild. I don't know if I'm gonna go back. I mean, if I see another order over $50 it's worth doing, I'll definitely go back, but we're not going for no small stuff anymore. I gotta go start editing this video because I know it's gonna be a hell of a process. Oh yeah, this clip is so long, but I'll keep it going. So the way the camera works, right? Got the camera on the head. I'm filming with it right now, but you put the mount on the head and then it's got the stabilization so that, you know, the clips are smooth. But in order for the stabilization to work, you have to have the app on your phone and you have to upload the clip from the camera to your phone. Then it does the stabilization. So all of the potato cam clips, I was just taking the camera, plugging it into my computer, uploading it to my computer. But because I didn't upload the clips through their app, I ended up with potato cam. All right, I got another Instacart, y'all. It is, I crack fingered this one. It's a pretty good order. It's, here, I'm showing the details. $67, what is it? 3.7 miles, 57 items, 58 items, 61 units. Yeah, it's, shopping at Wegmans, getting a wedgie before the snowstorm. That's sound. Ring bell. All right, Sunday morning now. Just got an Instacart, $27, 3 miles. How many items? 20 items, 2 customers. It's 20 degrees. It's freezing. Alright, they just messaged me. They want this whole milk that I refunded them on, so I'm grabbing that and then we out of here. This joint's not even heavy. Oh. Alright, drop that Instacart off, and it is so freaking cold outside. I've been saying in the whole video that we're supposed to get snow, but it's coming tonight. And they're saying 5 to 9 inches, and then another thing I saw said 6 to 12. So we're actually going to get some snow. And yeah, the next video is probably going to be short because of it, because I can drive in the snow, but I'm not going to drive when it's super bad out. I'm not doing Instacart while the roads are bad. It's just not worth it, because if you get into an accident, it's so much hassle. So this is a nice long video. I don't know how the next one's gonna go because of the snow. All right, it has been quite a while since I did the last Instacart. It's 1 o'clock now, and the parking lot looks completely full. So this is pretty scary, but I got this amazing Instacart. Hopefully it goes okay. Actually, I'm gonna park before I show the details, because there's just too many cars around. Okay, this Instacart, $55, not even going a mile, 22 items, right? 27 items. That is awesome. Hopefully I can get them everything. I accepted another one that was like $60. It was like almost 60 items, and they wanted 10 gallons of water, 2 gallons of milk, like 10 gallons or 10 12 packs of soda. I dropped that order. I don't drop orders much, but that was just too much. And there was 2 orders with it, so it wasn't just that one order. But this store looks crazy, so let me get in and out of here, and then I think I'm done. All right, I don't know how many good orders I'm gonna get in this video. This is crazy. $50 tip. Oh, there. Oh, thanks again. Stay safe, because apparently the world is ending tomorrow. LOL. Yeah. Well, if the world does end tomorrow, you know, I don't know. I'm not going to be able to do any more deliveries, and that sucks. All right, y'all, I got myself one more amazing Instacart. Well, this one's not as amazing as some of the other ones. It's $87 shopping at Wegmans, getting a wedgie. 46 items. It is going 27 miles, and there is 3 customers, but $87. It's crazy. Like, I've not accepted so many orders above $50 today. Like, just so many. I could have easily made another $300 today, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm sure Wegmans is about to be crazy because it's like 6:30 at night now. Anyway, I'm going shopping. All right, this order's been frustrating as hell, but I love it when this happens. I can't reach, but there's been multiple items where I'm getting the last one off the shelf. All right, that Instacart went pretty good considering the circumstances, the snow and whatnot and everything. Like literally entire sections being empty. The first customer messaged me a lot. Second customer messaged me enough to get them what they wanted. Third customer ordered 6 jars of one kind of jelly. They didn't have that jelly, so they got taken off the order, and they lived the furthest away. I'll be surprised if they tip good, but I don't know. Customer B, I had to refund on some stuff. I'll be interested to see how much I make and how far I actually have to drive. All right, it was 8 miles to drop off the first one, and it's 7.5 to drop off the second one. So that means to take 6 things of jelly was going to be another 15 miles. What in the world? I'm so glad I'm not doing that. Unless I lose half my tip, I don't see how it would be worth doing it. All right, drop that Instacart off, and I guess the third customer that I had to cancel on, I guess they did tip about $10, but considering that would have been another 12 or so miles of driving, I'm cool with not doing it and only making $77 on that order. Still a great order. I'm gonna get home, we'll go over the totals, and that's gonna do it for this one. All right, I made it home. That is gonna do it for this one. This is a crazy weekend. I don't anticipate working much tomorrow because of the snow, so the next video will probably be a short one. Anyway, let's go over the totals for this one. So, Instacart. I made $1,260, and I got a $5 cash tip. And I did one DoorDash, made $7. Didn't even turn on Uber Eats. So, what's that? $1,272, something like that. Anyway, killer week. Thank you guys very much for watching. I added music in this video, so let me know if you like the music, or if you're like, no, don't ever put that music in there again. Let me know what you think. It's my YouTube free music. I'm not paying. I'm trying to make money, not help artists make money. Anyway, click on the subscribe. Leave me a comment. Tune in Wednesday, probably a short video. Take it easy. Peace.